Hi there, and welcome to this quick training on bin locations in the InstantGMP Inventory Management System. Bin locations are a simple but powerful way to track exactly where your raw materials and finished products are stored, whether that's in one facility or across multiple locations. Each bin is assigned to a specific facility and room, giving you clear traceability from the moment materials arrive to the moment they're used. Before you get started, make sure you've set up your facilities and rooms in the Setup menu. You'll add your facility first, then one or more rooms within that facility. Once those are in place, you can begin adding bins. Let's walk through how this works in practice. When receiving materials, go to the Pending Receipt screen. From there, choose the material you're receiving and assign it to a bin location. Easy. Now, let's say you need to move a material after it's been received. Just head to Inventory Management, find the receipt, and go to the Usage screen. Click Change Location, choose the new facility, room, and bin, then sign and confirm. You'll see the update reflected in the inventory history. Sometimes, you'll want to split a receipt, maybe part of the shipment was damaged or didn't pass inspection. No problem. In the Usage screen, click Split Lot, enter the quantity you want to split, then sign and approve. The system will create a new receipt number for the split portion, and both receipts will appear in your summary screen for full traceability. You can also split a single receipt across multiple bins. Just click Split to a new bin, enter the amount to move, pick the new bin location, then sign and confirm. The original receipt number stays the same, but now you'll see it listed under multiple locations in the summary. You can see where all the split material is located by searching for the receipt number in the search panel. You will see all the locations plus the total quantity of all bins at the bottom of the summary. Want to know what's in a specific bin? Just search for the bin in the summary screen, and you'll get a full list of all materials currently stored there. For more details, visit us anytime at InstantGMP.com. Thanks for watching.